Hello everyone, today I'm making potato fry with methi leaves. So required ingredients are 3 potatoes, methi leaves, 1 onion, 7 to 8 green chilies, coriander leaf and pudina. This is fennel and only ginger. So these are the ingredients we need. Let us start. I'm taking 4 tablespoons of oil. So we usually do potato fry, but today the special is we are going to add methi leaves. So I'll add onion first. This will go nicely with chapati or puri rice, or you can eat with rice also. I'll add mirchi now. This is very quick and simple recipe. Very quick and simple recipe. Onions mirchi is nicely roasted now, so I will add potato. Salt and little turmeric powder. You can add red chili powder, garam masala powder as well. Let's mix this. I didn't add mirchi powder either garam masala. Let's mix this. I didn't add mirchi powder either garam masala. This is ready now. You can switch off the stove. I'm serving methi potato fry with chapatis. You can also try with rice. Please like the video and subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching this video.